Hello, today we are going to derive h square minus ab as the conditions to decide parabola, hyperbola, and ellipse. So, first thing, if we are given h square minus ab is equals to 0, we get here parabola. Second thing, if h square minus ab is less than 0, it gives an ellipse. And third thing, h square minus ab more than 0, then it gives us hyperbola. Now, but actually parabola is equivalent as eccentricity of the conics as 1. Ellipse is equivalent as eccentricity of the conics lying between 0 and 1. And hyperbola is equivalent as eccentricity of the conics is more than 1. So this is the situation, but how they are equivalent, right? So actually we are going to write the equation of a conics in two different forms. One form is going to be a fixed line here, which is called directrix. Directrix. This fixed point we call focus, and we will have a moving point x comma y, and according to directrix and focus definition, we have SP upon PM is equals to E. This is eccentricity, and we can have general form of 2-degree equation, which is capital AX square plus capital BY square plus 2HXY plus 2 2FY plus 2GX plus capital C is equals to 0. So this is general equation of 2-degree. So this is also equation of conics. Equation of conics. Right. And here, this will gives us SP is equals to E times PM. This gives us SP square is equivalent to E square times PM square. These distances are going to be SP is going to be x minus alpha square plus y minus beta square is equals to E square times PM. PM is modulus of AX plus BY plus C divided by root under A square plus B square whole square. From here it is going to be A square plus B square times x square minus 2 alpha x plus alpha square plus y square minus 2 beta y plus beta square is equals to right hand side e square times ax plus by plus c whole square. Next time expand everything. So here it is going to be a square plus b square times x square plus a square plus b square times y square and plus a square plus b square times everything else, that is alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha x minus 2 beta y, and this is all left hand side. What will be right hand side? So right hand side is going to be now e square times a square x square plus b square y square plus c square plus 2abxy plus 2acx plus 2bcy plus, yeah, so it's over. So these many terms in the right hand side. So if we notice the here other terms, whatever is there, but coefficient of x square. So x square only two terms are there here and here. Y square also only two terms are there here and here. And xy only this term is there. So now coefficient of coefficient of x square, call it a, is going to be small a square plus b square minus a square e square. Then coefficient of y square is capital B, that is equals to a square plus b square minus b square e square. After this, coefficient of coefficient of xy by 2 is h, and that is minus 2ab e square. That will be only this term. When you will take into left hand side, then its coefficients will become negative. So now we will focus on, so here you should notice this is also equation of a conic. This is also equation of the conic. And previously, this is also equation of the conic. And so we are comparing the coefficients from both the equations, right? And so we are getting values of capital A, capital B, and capital H. Now let's start the derivation. So now h square minus ab is equals to, sorry, h by 2 was also there now. So here divide by 2, it is going to be minus ABE square. So h square minus ABE square whole square minus AB. So A square plus B square minus A square E square times A square plus B square minus B square A square. After this, it is going to be A square B square e to the power 4 minus multiply terms inside. So A to the power 4 plus A square B square plus A square B square minus A to the power 4 E square plus A square B square plus B to the power 4 minus A square B square E square, and then minus A square B square E square minus B to the power 4 E square, and minus minus plus A square B square e to the power 4. So this is it. Now in next step, so notice it is A square B square e to the power 4 minus, in bracket only. If you notice, then A to the power 4 two terms, B to the power 4 two terms, and then A square B square term. So consecutively you can notice A to the power 4 1 minus A square plus B to the power 4 1 minus A square plus 2A square B square minus 2A square B square E square. See, A square B square first term here, second term here. A square B square E square first term here, second term here, right? And then plus A square B square E square. Next time open the bracket, so A square B square e to the power 4 minus A to the power 4 1 minus A square minus B to the power 4 1 minus A square minus 2A square B square plus 2A square B square E square, and minus A square B square E square. This first term and the last term, they are same. A square B square e not E square. This is e to the power 4 actually. Was writing mistake. Now, so it is coming minus. Okay, take minus first, right? Minus A to the power 4 1 minus A square minus B to the power 4 1 minus A square, and then take plus 2A square B square common, it will come E square minus 1. Now take minus inside, so A to the power 4 E square minus 1 plus B to the power 4 E square minus 1, and plus 2A square B square E square minus 1, it is E square minus 1 times A to the power 4 plus B to the power 4 plus 2A square B square. After this, taking a square minus 1 common. So now inside quantity can be written as a square plus b square whole square. Now, and this is equivalent to h square minus ab. So now come to the conclusion. So this implies three things. First thing, if 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 h square minus ab is equals to 0, then this implies e square minus 1 is also equals to 0. And this will imply e is equals to plus minus 1, but e will be equals to 1 only. As we know, eccentricity is the ratio of two distances, so it cannot be negative at any cost, right? So e can't be negative. E is not equals to any negative number. Why? As E is the ratio of two distances. Next, second thing. So if h square minus ab is negative, then this implies e square minus 1 also negative. And this implies e is more than minus 1 and less than 1. But e is more than 0, less than 1 only, right? So this will gives us ellipse. Some people are thinking, sir, eccentricity 0 is not ellipse. Yes, eccentricity 0 is not ellipse, but it is circle, and circle is similar to ellipse. Every so actually a circle is a special case of ellipse where a is equals to b. So this is ellipse case. Then third one is if h square minus ab is more than 0, this implies e square minus 1 more than 0. This implies e is more than 1, or e is less than minus 1, but e more than 1 only, right? And we all know that e is equals to 1 gives us parabola. E more than 0, less than 1 gives us ellipse. Gives us ellipse. And E and E more than 1 gives us hyperbola. So this is the situation. Now, so our proof done. Thank you.